Abertillery, Blodwen y Mary, Ryan y Roni, pidwch poeni, dwi ddim yn mynd i ganu, dwi yma achos pêl-droed fel arfer, trydydd rownd Cwpan Cymru ac mae adar gleision Abertillery, y clwb isa ar ôl yn y gystadleuaeth yn cwrdd â Cei Connah. I've been told to speak to Tonto. What are the chances?
I think we can have him today. Like.
Who should we be looking out for with Abertillery?
Oh, you want to watch out for Cody Mitchell with that super left foot, and Owen up top. Owen will do a good job today starting up top.
Fantastic. You enjoyed the cup run so far this season?
Yeah, brilliant.
Excellent.
That's his first game.
Kick-off is approaching. How are the nerves?
Well, a little bit nervous this morning. I haven't felt like this for a long time, to be honest. With a big game, last 32 of the Welsh Cup, against one of the best sides in the country. I think apparently it's 50 places above us, but it's all on the day.
And you guys have got some fond memories of the Welsh Cup.
It's just saying in the change room now, it's been 30 years ago since I played in the Welsh Cup final against Wrexham, and we wouldn't believe it. In the third round, we played Connah's Key no man's, and we beat them 9-0 on that day.
One of the biggest occasions in the club's history, obviously, and one that I think that's the way we played at the moment. We deserve that day, and obviously invite our North Walian guests down and give them a good day out as well, showing that we can play football down here as well.
Fourth tier, Division 2 down here in the south. What sort of level is that? What sort of standards are we talking about?
Because we've only just been promoted back into the Welsh League from our local Quay County League, so we're talking about baseline. I would say that's the level that we are at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair to them, they've got us rattled. That's what it's about. It's the Welsh Cup. That's what it's all about. Fourth division team. Potential banana skin. So
Right, ni mynd am dro I drafod siarad yr ein. Guys, we're gonna jump in. Where should we go in Abertillery tonight if they do nick a late winner?
In the Garw. Get down the Garw.
Fine.
Best place to be. Big night in the Garw.
Gyda hanner awr I fynd, oedd pobl yn meddwl bod y tîm cartre wedi sgorio, ond y bêl yn mynd dros y bar. Mi oedd na chydig o ddryswch o ran y tîm dyfarnu, a'r tîm cartre felly yn penderfynu dathlu tybeth mwyn ceisio drysu'r dyfarnwr. Nath e ddim gweithio, a dyna oedd diwedd y stori dylwydd teg. Wrth I Cei Connah daro tair, Bacari ar gynta, ychydig o funudau ar ôl y digwyddiad gyda Abertillery. Mike Wild yn penio'r ail, 5 munud ar hugain o'r diwedd, a dŵl yn taro yn y funud ola. Prynhawn cyfforddus yn y pen draw i'r nomadied.
We thought we were 1-0 up, mind. We thought we conned the ref into giving us that goal after we celebrated. But the ref sort of looked around as if to say, well, we don't know whether it's gone in or not. So we thought, well, if he celebrated, so we just grabbed everyone in a big huddle and prayed that they were going to give us a goal, to be honest.
A little bit unlucky, but to get it to the hour mark, clean sheet against an outfit like that, and you can see the difference full time. But no, very proud of the lads, the effort they put in, to be fair.
Listen, incredible effort by them. It looks like the whole town's come out, and it was a magical, and I'll remember the experience because it was really good, and a great bunch of lads as well. I just been in their change room, had a chat with them, and and it was quite comical in there actually, but really great, and they're a great bunch of lads.
We've taken some money that's going to go a long way for our club, today, and we're going to go back now. We're going to celebrate anyway, like we've won, and we're going to go out and paint the town blue, basically.